What is up, everybody? Today, trade cap for June 22nd, 2026. And today I took one trade on Nvda for around a $1,700 loss. So this is very pretty much going over right what the market did today and what opportunities there were. Right, today was a very weird day. I'm not gonna lie, very weird day. Right, the market had a very big pullback. A lot of technicals were having very big pullback, and so let's talk about it. Right. So what I see today. Let me pull up my alerts and pretty much go through the entire alerts, and then I'll talk about what I was thinking and what I was looking at. Right. All right. So 8:30, want to see QQQ hold previously high level, right, for long to look for longs on tech. Spidey's also break previously high level, or else if we come into range on indices, it'll be a slower no news Monday, right? Very simple kind of thesis, right? And then 8:36, Nvidia and Hood on watch. Where did I get these names on watch from? Price action and also weekly outlook I posted, right? 2 minutes later, Nvidia calls, right? And right, this name is showing very strong price action, nice break and retest of that level, right? I just want to see this high day candle closure and continuation of the upside, right? I want to see a relative strength continue. The high day break here, 214 TP1, and end up getting stopped on this trade, right? Out Nvidia. 851, no news money, so being patient now, looking for a second trade. QQ spies in clear range, and only thing that looks good now is Hood. So I want to be patient now, guys. After taking the first loss on Nvidia, I want to be patient now and see an area showing relative strength, relative weakness. I want to get that easy trade. So 901, Tesla calls on watch 410. And then like 6 minutes later, I'm not chasing this, right? I end up missing my entry on this name, which is really unfortunate, right? The risk reward was kind of hard to justify, and wait, why is Nvda at 1200? But yeah, no. So this trade, right? I should have been a little more aggressive as well. But the problem with me is I should have sized down and still entered this trade, right? I wanted a little bit of a better entry off those 0 day contracts, but the 0 day contracts, right, were just like I don't know. I should have entered a little bit more aggressively on this trade, right? You could have had the stop loss would have been right below here. I would have entry near down here so I can have a really good risk reward. We end up spiking above here, and so I should have sized down, ended up taking this trade regardless. But I just didn't for some reason didn't want to change my size and just end up just missed this trade, which is really unfortunate, right? Which just ended up being a $4 move in 6 candles. So this would probably been an easy like 80% trade at minimum. So yeah, I mean, really unfortunate. For Tesla, right? If I took that Tesla trade, it still would have been a really nice green day. It's probably been like a $3,000-4,000 day just off the Tesla trade alone. So yeah, I mean, it is what it is, right, guys? Like there are always gonna be opportunities every single day. Like guys, look at Google. Look, insane dump on Google. These contracts are easily up over like 1,000% dump, right? Palantir insane dump, right? Nvidia as well later in the day, nice dump, right? That's not as big of a move, but nice dump, right? Tesla, nice move to the upside, right? There's always opportunities every single day, guys. Even in the shittiest market conditions, actually, I'll take that back. In the shittiest market conditions, we're all chopping. There's no opportunities for 0 days expirations, but like on majority of time, right? There will be opportunities every single day. You have to understand as a trader, you will not be able to capitalize on everything, and you have to be okay with that, right? And yeah, I mean, this Tesla trade, I'm honestly bummed I kind of missed it just because I didn't want to click the buy button because the risk reward was kind of too big for me. But if I could go back in time, right? If I could go back in time, I would just buy it, of course. But like realistically, I should have sized down, and still would have entered this trade, right? Because the thesis was intact, the relative strength was there, and yeah, now I'm just hesitant, and that's just I don't know. I guess that 3 day, 4 day break really affected my aggressiveness on these trades. But yeah, I mean, it is what it is, right? But yeah, let's talk about the market now. So QQ and SPY, right, having a very nice pop and fade overall in the markets, which, for our long-term portfolios, you don't really want to see. But for day trading, right, this volatility is kind of nice. And so let's see what's happening on these names. MU's breaking out all-time highs. Like, well, dude, this name is ridiculous, bro. Like, literally ridiculous. Like, what? An insane volume spike as well. This is some sort of news. Let me go back QQ and SPY. Yeah, this is some sort of news happening. Probably some more news. Like, but this market is literally not real. Like, it's actually not real. But yeah, no. I mean, that's pretty much a trade cap. I think I talked over pretty much everything, right? Very, very straightforward day. One loss in a video. Overall, month is looking solid, right? And yeah, I mean, if you have any questions, join the Discord down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And that is crazy. What the heck? SpaceX down 15%. I mean, I was not gonna buy SpaceX. Like this is just like this company doesn't even make any revenue yet. So I mean like, but again, I think this name has options. So the options are probably up insane on this name. Holy shit, that is insane. Yeah, SpaceX, some sort of news for sure. Crazy, dude. I mean, dude, this market is ridiculous. So this trade cap's pretty much over, guys. I'm just looking down the market. Market's about closure in 1 minute, so I'm just looking now at some of these names. Just got on board. Actually, I should just end the video and then look at them. Like, what? Dude, Microsoft's at 367? Wait a minute, that's insane. These names are so trash. Like, dude, I'm telling you, literally, there's some Max 7 names that are so dog shit. It's literally insane. Like, Microsoft is such a dog shit Max 7 name. Amazon as well is such a dog shit name. Like, don't get me wrong, the company is maybe good, but the stock is just so trash. Like the fact that in 2026 it's at $230, like, is insane. When it was literally at 230, like what, 2 years ago or 1 year ago? Like, that is insane. Like, I don't know, but yeah. Um, hmm. I mean, this trade cap's done. I don't even know what I'm doing now. I'm gonna be honest. Um, what do you need to talk about now? Did I talk about the trade? I think it's pretty straightforward. I mean, yeah, it is what it is. Let me see why. Let's see what these other stocks are doing on my other screen. But yeah, I mean, SpaceX is getting absolutely railed recently, so gonna be looking more into that. Right, Rocket Lab, ASTS. You want to see those names? SpaceX having a big pullback. What's happening with these names? Down 10% one day is crazy. These names have such insane moves. It's wild. But yeah, okay, that's trade cap. And yeah, peace.